A little bit on your side, yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you again for this. Been great initiative. Wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hey, Vinaka.
Thank you. Well, today, in fact, we wanted to congratulate the Honourable Prime Minister on the implementation of the fund for the recovery, and thank him, in fact, to allow us to contribute. Pacific Energy, as we know, it's owned by Pacific Islanders, and as such, the culture in the Pacific is very, very important for us. That culture that brings everyone together as family, and the importance, in fact, to help each other. So that's why we created this initiative where everyone can contribute a small amount. If you go to a service station, a Pacific Energy service station, even if you spend $10, $20, part of it is given back to the fund to help, in fact, those that have been impacted by the COVID-19 situation, and also TC Harold, which is also very important. We mustn't forget that. So today it was a first handover of 75,000 Fijian dollars towards the fund. It's a first handover because our initiative is over 4 months, and we hope to be able to gather something like around 300,000 Fijian dollars, hopefully. And we are very proud for that. So again, we wanted to thank the Honourable Prime Minister to allow us, in fact, to contribute in these hard times, and to show, in fact, our involvement. Yeah.